thought I was gonna miss it. I just got out of the shower. Ew. And I accidentally. Ew. I was going to rinse my hair, with the shower. Ew. With the shower head, and I miscalculated, and I got the water right up my nose. And so it burned at first. And then this started. And so I hopped out of the shower as quickly as I could, so that I could record it. Fuck. And so now I'm just sitting here in a towel. Sneezing my head off. Oh. I'll start. Oh. It's crazy what a few drops of water will do. Oh. Let me. I'm pinching my nose to make it stop for a second while I clean myself up. Shit, because these are super messy. I think my body's trying to get all the water out, and it's doing a fantastic job. So yes, I was washing my hair, and I went to go rinse it, and I sprayed myself directly in the face with the shower head. So I'm just gonna sit here for a few seconds because I'm not entirely sure if it's done. I kind of still feel something. The good news is that I am clean, and so is my hair, and I'll get a video out of it. Yeah, no, there's definitely more. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Oh, they're coming a little faster now, okay. fuck. Oh, I hate those false starts like that. Sorry, that was ugly. Oh, come on. Oh, I know there's at least one more in there. Whoa. All this from a little bit of shower spray, I swear. Oh, huh. Oh. Oh. Oh, I don't know if y'all can hear that thunder, but it's about to storm again. Oh. Oh. I wonder how long this is gonna go on for. Oh. It's definitely feeling a little bit better now. I might have to blow my nose. Just scan one more shit. Oh, it's done.